Now I will discuss about sample space and relationships among events. What is sample space? It is a set of all possible outcomes of a statistical experiment. Let's say, nag-flip tayo ng coin, yung sample space natin is composed of head and tail, since yun lang yung dalawang possible outcome natin. Also called as element or member, yung head and tail. Therefore, meron lang dalawang element dun sa pag-flip ng coin. And then, pagdating naman dito sa pag-roll natin ng die, since 6 sides siya, diba, cube siya yung die, therefore, meron tayong 6 elements which are numbers 1 to 6. And then, another term is event. Event is a subset of a sample space. Example, rolling a die ulit. Let's say, yung event A is the event that the number that shows on the top face of the die would be an odd number. And B is the event that the number that shows on the top of the die would be an even number. Therefore, yung elements ng event A is 1, 3, and 5, which are odd numbers, and then B is composed of 3 elements, then which are 2, 4, and 6. Next, we have the complement of an event. So, for example, kinuha natin yung complement ng event A, or in symbol, A prime. Kapag sinabi natin complement, yung possible outcome na wala kay event A. So, kabaliktaran niya. So, dun sa event ng pag-roll natin ng die, kung ano yung meron kay A, which is 1, 3, and 5, yung magiging complement niya is si B, diba? Which are 2, 4, 6 na element. Therefore, yung complement ng event A is si event B. The intersection of two events, A and B, denoted by the symbol A inverse U, ito, is the event containing all elements that are common to A and B. So, pag sinabi naman natin intersection, ayun na yung clue natin, may intersection sila, ibig sabihin may common. Dito sa example natin, we have event E. Itong dalawang bilog na to, nire-represent niya yung kada event. So, yung sa first circle, we have E and then F, event F. Let E be the event that a person is selected at random in a classroom is majoring in engineering. And let F be the event that a person is female. Yung ibig sabihin ng shaded region dito, yung shaded portion dyan, ini-indicate na yung person na mapipili mo is majoring in engineering and at the same time, babae siya. So, ganun yung intersection. And then, two events, A and B, are mutually exclusive or disjoint if A intersection B is equal to 0 or wala siyang elements in common. Katulad ng events A and B natin dun sa pag-roll ng die, they have no elements in common since wala namang number na add na siya and then even pa. Dun sa numbers 1 to 6. Therefore, mako-consider natin na dun sa sample space sa pag-roll natin ng die, si event A, ang complement niya is si event B. Or in symbols, A prime is equal to event B. The union of the two events A and B denoted by the symbol A union B. So ito naman yung ano niya. A union B is the event containing all the elements that belongs to A or B or both. So meron tayong example dito. Let A equals A, B, C. Yung element ng A is C small letter A, B, and C. And then yung another event natin contains another event B composed of 4 elements which are B, C, D, and E. Therefore, kapag kinuha natin yung A union ng B, kunin lang natin yung lahat ng elements nila. Kumbaga, pinag-add lang natin sila. Pero, kung mapapansin ninyo, di ba may elements in common sa kanila, yung B, C, di ba? So, dito, pag kinuha mo yung union nila, hindi mo na uulitin yung B at C. Hindi mo sasabing A, B, C, C, D, E. So, once lang. Kapag meron na dun sa isa, yun na yun. Hindi mo na siya uulitin. So, remember, pag union, pinagsama lang pero hindi mo uulitin yung elements in common sa kanila. So, we have a problem here. Of 120 engineers surveyed, 60 are working in the academe, 50 are working in the industry, and 20 are working both in academe and industry. If an engineer is chosen at random, find the probability that the engineer is working either in academe or in industry. So, alamin natin So, dito, gumamit tayo ng Venn diagram. So, itong first event natin, kinocompose siya nung nasa academe, and then second circle is for the industry. And then yung common sa kanila, yung nabanggit dito na 20, working both in academe and in industry. Ang total nila is 120. Ang pinapahanap sa atin is yung probability na yung engineer is working either in academe or in industry. So, paano ba yun? Yan. I-recall lang natin kung paano tayo gumagawa nung Venn diagram. Diba? Meron tayong total na 120, and then yung common sa kanila is 20, and then nabanggit din dito na 60 daw yung nasa academe, and then 50 working in the industry. Yung mga nabanggit dito, 'di ba yung 60 dito, tas yung 50 dito, included sa kanya, binilang niya yung 20. Kaya kapag gumawa tayo ng Venn diagram, kapag hinanap natin yung nag-work lang sa academe alone, that is equal to 40. And then, si industry naman, 30. Yung mga nagtatrabaho lang sa industry lang. Hindi siya nagtatrabaho sa academe. Kasi kung yung 60 and 50 ang nilagay natin dito sa loob, so sobra na siya sa 120, diba? Kasi nadoble yung bilang ng 20. Nabilang na siya dito kay 60, nabilang pa siya dito sa 50 sa industry. Kaya, mina-minus natin siya dun sa given na kabuuan. So, yung total nung sa academe is 60. We have yung 40 sa academe alone, and then yung 20 both academe and industry. Kaya 60 pa rin siya for the academe. And for the industry, we have 20, and then 30 yung industry alone lang yung trabaho nila. Pero ang pinapakuha sa atin is working either in academe or in industry. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng working either in academe or industry? Pwedeng sa academe, pwedeng sa industry, or pwede both. Ano? Pwede both ba? Yun? Sa ano kasi working either naman, in academe or in industry. Therefore, we have, compute natin, we have 40 plus 20 plus 30. So, pag pinag-add-add natin to, 60, 90, o asan yung 30? Walang trabaho. Ano? Hindi sila wala sila sa industry, wala din sila sa academe. So, we only have 90 over 120. Therefore, yung probability is 3/4. So, dito naman tayo. Halimbawa, meron na tayong 3 event. And then, may mga region na may intersection sa kanila. So, our problem, identify the regions described by the following equation. Number 1, we have A intersection ng B. Pag sinabing intersection, di ba yung elements in common? Di ba, kino-consider natin ito si event A, di ba? Ito yung sakop niya, yung region niya. How about naman si B? Ito siya. Asa naman yung element in common niya? Diba, yung intersection ng mga circle nila, ng mga area nila is ito. Therefore, ang sagot sa kanya, yung region na may intersection, yung region na intersection ni A and B is 1 and 2. Ito, pakita ko na. Yan, 1 and 2. And how about B and C naman? Tayo. Sa B and C, intersection naman daw ni B and C. Diba, ito si B. Asa naman si C? Ito siya. Therefore, asan yung intersection ng area nila? Ito naman, ano? Si region 1 and 3. Yan. Remember, hindi ito bilang yung mga number dito, hindi siya number of elements, kundi region siya. Inassignan lang ng number. Kunyari, ito region 1, ito yung area ng region 1, and then area ng region 2. Yan, by region siya. And then, proceed naman tayo sa number 3. A, union ng C. Ibig sabihin, yung area nung A plus area pa nung C. 'Di ba may common sa kanila? Pero ang sabi ko nga, wag niyo na lang ulitin. Included siya pero hindi niyo na siya iuulit-ulitin yung paglagay. Katulad nitong 4 and 1, isang beses niyo lang siya ilalagay dun sa sample space. Therefore, yung A union ni C, itong region na to. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So, ito siya. And then, pagdating naman dito, B prime, ibig sabihin yung complement ng B. Ano ba yung complement ng B? Diba, ang complement ng B, yung hindi niya sakop. Yung sa labas lang niya. Wherein, yung kay A and C. And then, sabi doon, yung complement ng B, intersection pa kay event A. So, ano ba yung intersection niya dun sa nung complement ng B sa A? Diba ito lang? Diba since ito si A, yan. Yan, sakop pa rin to ni A, diba? Therefore, ang sagot is 4 and 7. 4 and 7 pala ang sagot dito. Paki-correct na lang to. Kasi intersection niya kay A. 4 and 7. And then, another one, we have Yung sabi dito, A intersection ng B and then intersection kay C. So, intersection ng tatlo, ito. Yung region 1. Yung common sa tatlo. Sa tatlong event. And then, proceed naman tayo dun sa number 6. We have A union ng B. Asan ba yung A union ng B? Diba, pag pinagsama mo yung area ng dalawa, ito siya. A union ng B. And then, consider mo daw kung ano yung intersection niya kay C. Ano ba yung common niya kay C? Diba, ito lang. Ito lang. Diba, ito yung nag-intersect sa region ni C. Therefore, we have ito, 4, 1, and 3. Yun. So, for your exercise, list the elements of each of the following sample spaces. Yung kinoconsider nating sample space is the set of integers between 1 and 50 divisible by 8. So, identify nyo lang kung ano yung mga number na 1 to sa loob ng 1 to 50 na divisible by 8. So, ano-ano nga ba yun? We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Yun lang. And then, another one. We have set S is equal to X, where X is, ito, may condition. Ano? X squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Anong gagawin nyo lang dito para makuha yung samples, yung sample point or the elements? Ang gagawin nyo lang, kukunin nyo lang yung value ng x na magsasatisfy sa equation na to. Therefore, magsasolve lang tayo for the value of x. Therefore, pwedeng masolve natin to through factoring. We have x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 1. Since, diba, kapag pinag-times nyo to, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And then, 5 plus negative 1 is positive 4. And then, kapag kinuha nyo na yung root ng x, that would be equal to negative 5 and 1. Therefore, yung element ng sample space natin is negative 5 and 1. Another example, the set of outcomes when a coin is tossed until a tail or 3 heads appear. Paano ba i-identify yun? So, sabi dito, magtotoss siya ng coin hanggat hindi siya nakakakuha ng tail or hanggat makakuha siya ng 3 head. Saka lang siya titigil mag-toss ng coin. Therefore, ano-ano nga ba yung set of outcomes niya or elements? Ito, magko-construct lang tayo ng 3 diagram. So, yung pag-flip natin ng coin, sa first flip natin, ito yung first flip. Halimbawa, ang lumabas is head, ito siya, and then, or tail naman. So, let's say, ang lumabas dun sa first toss natin is tail. Ang mangyayari, stop na siya. Kapag may lumabas ng tail, di ba, stop na siya. So, ito na yun, tail. Ito na yung isang possible outcome. Yun, kapag lumabas na yung tail agad sa first toss, ay halimbawa, hindi ang lumabas is head. Therefore, may second toss ka, di ba? Halimbawa, ang lumabas is tail na agad. Therefore, di ba, nakakuha ka na ng isang tail. Therefore, stop ka na doon. Therefore, ito na yon. Ito na yung another samples element mo, sample point. And then, halimbawa naman, proceed tayo dun sa head. Head ang lumabas. Pag head yung lumabas, therefore, may third toss ka ulit. Sa third toss, Halimbawa, ang lumabas is tail. Therefore, dito, mag-stop ka na kasi may tail ka na agad. Therefore, ang pinagdaanan mo doon, head sa first, para makapunta ka dito, ang dinaanan niya is simula dito. Head muna, nagkaroon ka ng isang head, and then another head, and then tail. Therefore, ito yung sample element na tinutukoy natin, which is H, H, T. Ano? And then, halimbawa naman, ang lumabas again is head naman. Therefore, since head na, tatlong head na, therefore, stop ka na din. Kaya, all in all, ang magsasatisfy dun sa given condition natin is, bale, itong apat na element na to. Yung tatlong series ng head or first two nung pag-flip mo is head, and then yung pangatlong toss mo na is saka lang nag-tail. Or sa unang toss is head, and then pangalawang toss tail na agad, kasama rin yon. And then ito din naman, yung unang toss mo pa lang is tail na agad yung lumabas. So, mano-mano lang kasi din dito sa paggawa ng tree diagram. Another example, the set S is equal to x, where x is 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, and x is less than 1. So, sabi ko nga dito, kukunin nyo lang yung value ng x na magsasatisfy dun sa given equation natin. Therefore, pag sinolve natin tong first condition na to, 2x greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, pag sinolve natin to, x is greater than 2 or equal to 2. Ito yung sagot sa first condition. May second condition siya na ang x daw dapat less than 1. So, ano na talagang mangyayari? Di ba hindi magsasatisfy yung dalawa? Therefore, ang sagot, none. Walang value ng x na magsasatisfy dun sa given condition niya. And then, yun lang. Thank you.